everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. So today this video is again yet a shopping video. So today I'm going to show you all one of the best places in Bangalore where you can get a very reasonable clothes. So it is nothing but an easy buy. So in this place you get a very affordable clothes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we just left home. So it is 5:30 in the evening. So right now we're going to Shantiniketan Mall and we just entered the mall. So this place is located in the first floor. So let's go. And while you enter the mall, they have some nice exhibition going on over here. So these are all from different states. They have some nice kurtis, bedspreads, shoes, earrings and many more. So these are the bedspreads. So I would say that these are quite expensive because it was somewhere around 1600 to 1800. And I think that it's not worth it to invest so much on a bedspread. So now let's enter the mall. So this is called as the Easy Buy. This is located inside the Spar. So they have wide range of kurtis, palazzo pants, western wear, ethnic wear, everything they have at a very reasonable price. So right now on kurtis they have a sale of flat 30% off and they do have flat 60% off, which I will show you later. So don't worry about the size, you get all the size available over here, starting from small to large and double XL and many more. So these are the kurtis which I feel it's very reasonable. So it starts at rupees 279. So I would recommend you all to get from this place. So over here, buy one at 299 rupees each and buy two at 279 rupees each, and I think this is a great sale. So coming to leggings, so over here it is a great deal. So buy 3 at 259 each, buy 2 at 279 each and buy 1 at 299 each, and I suggest you all to buy 3 at 259. You also get full length leggings and ankle length leggings. So all these are the 60% off kurtis. So you pick anything, it is 60% off. So this counter has 40% off. So I think Easy Buy has great deals. So these are the dupattas which are for rupees 239. You also get different colors. So this pants are of 60% off. So the entire section is of 60% off. So this pant is for rupees 699. So that is the MRP and you get 60% off on that, and I feel that it is a great deal. So all those were some ethnic wear. So coming to some western wear, these are some frocks and these are very beautiful and it is for rupees 799 and it has 50% off. So they have lot of collections in western wear. So I just love this red checks, but they did have offer on this. So all these tops are for rupees 299 and it is worth it. So you pick anything in this counter, it is just for rupees 299 and just look at this beautiful long skirt. So in Easy Buy, they also have kids wear. So in kids wear, everything is very reasonable. It starts at rupees 49. So in men's wear, they do have the same offer which is there in the women's wear. So it is 60% off to 50% and many more. And this one is a grayish black jeans and the price is just unbelievable. I bought it for just rupees 399. So it was on sale. So I just bought it. I would recommend you all to get it. This is very worth it. And I will make a haul of Easy Buy, what all I bought from here, which is coming very soon. So over here they also have some shoes and flats. So one great offer is that they have these shoes just for rupees 149 and I'm gonna definitely take it. So here ends the video. I hope you all love it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.